scratch my car. Get off my car. Get off my car. No, listen. You think that's funny? Look at him. Oh no, my window's going up. He's a funny looking critter, isn't he?
And I think this is funny. And earlier, didn't I predict? I bet you that's the same bird that landed on the top on the roof.
I started the car, I didn't even scare him.
Oh God. I'm gonna laugh if he comes over to your side and backs.
Not funny.
Duh.